Don't mind me, I'm gonna be walking around with my camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a little walkthrough.
Should I pose for you?
Yeah, you wanna pose?
No.
Classic. The dog? Oh. Does he need a dust mask?
Yeah.
Jake, you need a dust mask. Come here. We found about 17 tennis balls the other day that Jake's been stealing from the neighbor who has a tennis court over there. Okay, I got my coffee station here, and as you can see, I'm demoing my house. I'm hiring people to demo my house. This is where the dining room is today. The guys don't have a chipping hammer, so they're going by hand. Check this out. This is where my kitchen was. If you remember, that was my kitchen, and this was kind of like a TV room. I had that little glass table right here. Remember all those videos I shot? The TV was on that wall. Well, we completely demoed. Sorry, I'm looking up here. I'm just making sure the shot looks good. So we demoed that wall. I'm gonna show you the floor plan of what I'm thinking. Like some fresh Colombian coffee. It's so good. So we're gonna make this into a closet here, and then a pantry for the kitchen, which is gonna look like this. And we got all the ceilings ripped out, and I see just how bad of a job the spray foam guys did. There's some thermal bridging going on up there. Gonna have them come back, patch their junk. We got all the stuff, and then of course a 40-yard dumpster. At the same time, I'm actually also remodeling the garage, building an office down there and a beautiful new laundry room. Can lights, adjusted the whole floor plan of the laundry. So the dryer, the washer, the water heater. I'm gonna add a water softener because I need to do that. And then the utility sink are all gonna be in an L along the other wall where the dryer vent is, and everything's just coming together perfectly. We repiped because the garage is right under me. My arm looks so long. The garage is straight under me, what the room I was just talking about. So what I had them do before we put the ceiling up, I'm gonna go show you that right now. Before I had them put the ceiling up, I had them run the sanitary line for the new kitchen sink. All right, I'm gonna show you the kitchen layout after I show you the garage, and then the supply lines for the kitchen sink. And the fridge is going over there. That's my old fridge, but the new fridge will go in the corner. I have to move that slider up a little bit. This window's gonna get dropped down, and this whole front door header is going to be moved up. So from there to there is going to be a header, and then a transom, and then a beautiful new front door, which is going to look like this. Okay, let's go downstairs, check it out. This is Oscar and Jose. Oscar, Jose. And we have two Oscars, so I always say dos Oscars. This was all a wall, and we demoed it to a nice cased opening. And I had the utility sink here and the washer and dryer, but the dryer vent is here, and so we're moving the dryer to here, the washer to here. You can see we added our drain, our supplies for the washer. We have a new line, just in case I want to replace this old water heater, a new line for the water heater. It's gonna get connected today. Water softener is gonna go here, and then this is the sink, supplies, and the drain. And here's our Studer vent, which allows the plumbing to vent within a wall. We furred out all this block. We built a soffit to cover some of the plumbing, and we'll drywall everything here. Can lights. We framed this wall. We added sockets, outlets, and added all new insulation and electrical. So it's gonna be a bunch of can lights in this big old kind of office, or maybe I can make it into like a workout room or whatever, but maybe some stain or epoxy on the floor. By the way, thanks for being patient. I know it's been 2 weeks since I've actually uploaded a video. In the weeks before, I was uploading probably 2 to 3 videos a week, which has been awesome. I've hired a videographer, an editor, and he's actually helping me with like some administrative stuff in J Lane construction as well. So it's been really, really awesome for me too. Now I'm in year 6 of J Lane construction, and as of year 6, once I got past year 5, and I kind of gave another 6 months or so after I got past year 5, I'm now not working nights and weekends. Whereas before, the first 5 years, non-stop. I was the project manager, the estimator, the sales guy, the marketing guy, the bookkeeper, you know, and I had one superintendent, you know, for not all 5 years, but I've had up to 15 guys like in year 3. But anyway, that was a real rabbit trail, but you can kind of congratulate me for kind of taking some nights and weekends off, because I'm not bookkeeping until 12 a.m. and video editing until 2 a.m. anymore. So this kitchen is going to be cool. This is the bathroom wall. Let me show you this. ¿Cómo estás? We're going to demo this soffit, get rid of the vanity, new toilet, get rid of this travertine flooring, get rid of the tub pretty much. I'm gonna steal 18 inches or so of this wall for an inset in my kitchen. I'm gonna build a Carrara marble shower with frameless glass doors, black slate. It's gonna be epic. So the plan is to get the electrical rough, because I'm gonna rewire the entire house, move the electrical panel in about 18 inches, and then I'm gonna make a linen closet where the electrical panel was on the hall side. Once the electrical rough is done, I can start the drywall, which this is gonna be where that linen is gonna be. So it's a flat wall here, but I'm gonna inset it. But the electrical panel is here right now, but I'm gonna move this in about something like this and build a wall. And so once that wall is built, put the electrical panel here, and then case this out to where I can do a linen closet. Kind of the same concept as this inset. Remember I was in the bathroom? Well, this is where that is right here. Inset, drywall, just corner bead, nice clean, and I can inset some cabinetry. Look, I'm still alive, you know what I mean? I'm still here. When you don't see me, I'm working just as hard, and it's exciting stuff. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow along the journey of this house. I'm gonna post some videos here, and you can watch my Instagram stories. Jesse Lane TV is my Instagram handle. Jesse Lane was taken, so I'm running with it. And talk to you soon.